This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 4326 is a Class A RV. It is located in Huntsville, Alabama, 35816 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Huntsville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Newmar is 43 feet 0 inches in length and features a STRATTON interior, sleeps 7, slide-out, and 105 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunkhouse, rear bath. This 2024 Newmar Dutch Star 4326 is built on a Freightliner Tag Axle chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.